Hello viewers, I want to show you how to solve the problem of the iPhone 11 Pro internet not working. Let's solve the problem after the intro. I am going to ensure that either my internet is working or not. As you see on the screen, there are two internet modes. I am trying both modes for testing purposes. As you see, the internet is not working. Hopefully, the problem is IC. We need to disassemble the mobile using this type of tool. Unbind the screws. Unplug the wires and motherboard to solve no internet problem. I will apart the motherboard part by part using the heating machine. I'm using the exact heat to apart the board as you see on the screen. Choose a twitzer to move from the heating machine. Now use this type of holder or board to repair the parts. And put it properly. Now choose the microscope for a bigger view of the exact repair works. Use the heat gun to take apart the IC plate. And the soldering wick to clean the inside. After that, keep the plate and fix it to the correct position by heat gun. Now keep the heating board in the correct position. I'm using glue to fit the motherboard part by part. After keeping it in the correct position, then heat it again few seconds. Now choose a twitzer to move the motherboard from the heating board. So, my board is ready to fit in the mobile. Let's fix the board and bind the screws and wires. Now you can see that the internet is working properly. And work is done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others.